So you're looking for a way to protect your Bronco or your Wrangler as you're out on the trail so you don't have all the pinstripes? Well, today we've got a solution for you. So
let's get started.
Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. I'm Nick, aka Dad.
And I'm Addie, aka the Monkey.
And we're inside the garage, so we apologize for the lighting. We're trying to do our best, but it got really windy and we've got some storms coming in. But we wanted to get this video done and show you a product that I had heard about at SEMA actually a couple of years ago and just kind of beat around the bush because it's not the cheapest thing in the world, but there's a lot of things that are way more expensive than that. So let me have Monk grab this and show you what we've got. So this is from 4x4 Attitude. This is their action shield. Now they have already pre-printed ones that have different themes like the American flag or diamond plate or, you know, all kinds of different things. But they also have a section where you can get a custom one done. And I've always been thinking about a wrap. Monk and I had talked about it, but we love our antimatter blue Bronco and didn't want to cover it up too much. So this is basically going to protect the sides of our Bronco and give us a really cool look once we're finished. And it only comes in 4 pieces per side, which is really cool, except for the driver's side. You have a 5th piece, and that's for your fuel tank door. Now, we're gonna have to make some modifications to this, but I think this is gonna be a product that most people are gonna be looking for, because like I said, we've got pinstripes on ours, and after a while, you want it to still look nice, because you're taking it places. You're taking it to maybe a work function, maybe not only going wheeling, you're going to their kids' school and that, for programs and all kinds of things, and you want your vehicle to at least stay looking nice for a while. So this is a piece you can put on, take off, put on, take off as many times as you want. It comes with a 1-year warranty, pretty thick material. It's got a texture to it, almost feels like a bed liner type material, but it's basically really thick vinyl is what I think it is. And it doesn't use magnets to stick to it. It's basically, I mean, looking at their website, they really don't give too much away on what this is, but it is a little sticky on the back. Almost like if you got something wet and it kind of just stays sticky, that's kind of what it feels like. But you can take it on and off and you can wash it. It's not a big deal. So we'll probably put it on and leave it on for a while, I believe, because we want to promote the off-road, Monkey Business Off-Road as well. But what are some of the other things, Monk, that they offer for these as well?
They offer it in Jeeps, but they also offer it for the Bronco Raptors,
which is new. And they also offer it for the Gladiator guys too. So not just Jeep JLs and JKs and that, but the Gladiator, and like Monk said, the Bronco Raptor is new now. And they make it to where it fits each panel. You might have a little bit of gap. It's not like a vinyl wrap, but it's less expensive. I think most of their ones that they already have pre-made with a you know, like I said, the American flag or something, are around $800 to $900. If you want to go like full on custom like we did, you're going to be more in that $1,200, $1,300 range, depending on the look of what you're doing, colors, things like that. But they did all this, which is really cool. They had their team come up with what we wanted after we kind of told them what we were looking for. And they came back with this, and I approved it right away because I thought it was super cool. So we're going to get to showing you how we put this on. Maybe just do a little bit of a time lapse real quick. So let's get this thing installed. As you can see, we've got our Bronco script here, but we don't have a place here that's gonna, allow for that to come through. So we're gonna look at maybe just, you can stencil, take an X-Acto knife, they tell you in the instructions from 4x4 Attitude, that you can cut out, keep the backing on, cut through the back, but make sure, you line it up first and then kind of plot out where everything needs to go as far as the hole. So we're gonna basically just leave the backing on, find out where we need to be with this, and then just give ourselves some extra space. So we're gonna get this cut out and get right back to it. All right, well, you can see we've got it cut out here. Monk said it looked like a chicken drumstick. I've got some little edges here, but I mean, it's gonna fill in. It'll look just fine. So looking forward to getting this put on. Let's finish this up. Here's the final product. Well, that was the installation process. Obviously, it takes a little bit longer when you've never put it on before. Monk and I were trying to do as good a job as we could. So, trying to stretch the material. It is a little bit stretched. Just making sure we've got those air bubbles down and got everything flat. So, have a air bubble, and a spot down here that this won't go away. So we have to work on those a little bit. Really, other than that, it's really simple to install. So, what did you think about installing the 4x4 Attitude action thing? I do so out here in the garage all the time in the Bronco. Honestly, more than the school one. So, I like this. What do you think? That is one thing I'm going to mention about being careful about this stuff. Super sticky. Yeah, if you're going to put this on, but it is super sticky. So when you start laying it down on the bottom on 15, and you're pulling back up, it actually feels like a vinyl alloy and that strong. Now, another thing is Monk's holding this kind of plastic cardboard stuff. This comes in the box. Now, don't throw it away. It wasn't in there just to keep everything, flat and not get wrinkles and that in it. It's actually, once you go to take off your action shield, this is what you'll be storing it on, and you can stick it right to it and be able to peel it back off and put it back on. They give you these little guitar picks so you can get into these edges and start peeling it away and then stick it on here. Actually, 4x4 Attitude has a really great video of how to uninstall this and how to put them back on these plastic cardboard sheets just to store them away and use them for another day. But let's go over our final thoughts on what we think about the 4x4 Action Shield, Monk. So all in all, if you're looking for a solution to not have pinstripes, we did a cleaning on this Bronco. You want to make sure it's clean first and foremost. So I washed it yesterday. And then we pulled it into the garage because we were supposed to get storms last night and I didn't want to have to rewash it. So you want to start with a clean vehicle before you start installing this. But really, for my take on it, my opinion, and we'll get to Monk's too, is it was really easy to install. I like that they give you the capability to be able to cut away for different things, like maybe you have a keypad on your driver's door. You have the Bronco emblem, which I probably at some point, once we take this off, kind of make this a little bit nicer of a cut here, but it gives you the capability of really kind of customizing it. They have, again, options that are more of just a theme, like I said, the American flag, or maybe some mud or something like that. They've got tons of different options. But if you've got something you'd like to promote, like your business, and you go off-roading, this is really, I think, an inexpensive way. I'm not sure what a vinyl shop would cost to do a vinyl wrap, but this stuff is thicker, to me at least, is what it feels like. But again, I've never done a vinyl wrap before. It's also got this really cool texture to it, and it just feels really durable.
It does.
But that's my opinion, and it was about $1,200-1,300 to do a custom one, which their design department, again, I think did an awesome job. So what did you think, not only about installation, Monk, we've kind of talked about that already, but what do you think about the product itself? Is this something that people should think about with their Broncos or Jeeps? What do you think?
I think it is something for sure that people should think about if they want to keep their paint looking nice, their vehicle looking nice, and just to keep the overall aesthetic of their car looking really nice, because if you take it wheeling, you might get pinstripes, and this will protect it, and then you can take it off and then go anywhere with it, and it'll still look amazing.
Yeah, I am looking forward to getting this on the trail, seeing how well this holds up. We're going to be going out to Attica, Indiana again, hopefully in June, July. We've got the Favno long travel suspension kit. We're still going to be doing that. Hopefully going to start that this weekend, which is going to be a multi-day process of that. But we wanted to get this on because it's just a really cool piece, and giving people that don't necessarily want to go out and beat up their Bronco or their Jeep. They call it their pavement princess or their mall crawler, whatever. If you're worried about getting pinstripes, this might be a great alternative. And again, it's a great thing to do if you've got a YouTube channel or Instagram, or even you have a business that you want to promote and you don't want to go and get a full-on wrap. This is a great way, I think, to do that kind of promotion. So again, though, we appreciate you guys watching this video. Hopefully you found this informative. I mean, if you did, hit that thumbs up for us. Let us know you liked the video. We'll put a link down to 4x4 Attitude. We purchased this full price. They didn't give it to us, and they're not sponsoring this video. So we just wanted to show you a product that might be something you're looking for. Because Monk and I, we're constantly looking for tips, tricks, and products that we put on our Bronco that you can put on yours. But as always, we appreciate you watching. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button so you can see more videos from Monk and I. As always, have a blessed day.
Bye.